Today we are going to study respiration in aquatic animals. The most common example is fish. Now you very well know that the fish take in oxygen that is present in water. This oxygen is in dissolved form and the amount of the oxygen in water is also less. So the breathing rates in fishes is much higher. The fishes respire through the organ that is called as gills. Now let us see that how the fishes take in the oxygen that is present in water. When the fish open its mouth, the water containing oxygen moves through mouth, pass over the gills. The gills had rich supply of blood, so the oxygen diffuses in the blood. This blood carries the oxygen to the body parts. In the body parts, the CO2 is produced. Again, through the blood, the CO2 comes to gills, and with the water that moves out through mouth, the CO2 leaves. This is how the diffusion of gases occur through gills. Now let us see the respiratory system in human beings. We have a well-developed respiratory system that is meant for exchange of gases, and it is present in thoracic region. This system is formed of parts, that is nostrils, nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and finally the alveoli or air sac. We will learn details of these things in our next lecture.